Unlocking new beginnings. Can we start fresh? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we have a special topic that touches on both language and life. The phrase, "Can we start fresh?" This simple yet profound question carries a lot of weight and meaning, and understanding it can not only help you in your English language journey but also in navigating relationships and opportunities. So, let's unravel the layers of this phrase together. At its core, "Can we start fresh?" is a request or a question that involves beginning again, wiping the slate clean, or forgetting past mistakes or misunderstandings. It's about resetting a situation, relationship, or context to a state as if none of the prior events had happened. This phrase embodies the hope for a new beginning, free from any negative impacts of the past. This phrase can be applied in various scenarios, from personal relationships to professional settings. In personal relationships, it's often used when two people, such as friends or partners, have had a misunderstanding or a conflict and want to move past it, aiming to restore their relationship to a positive state. In professional settings, you might use it after a disagreement with a colleague or if a project didn't go as planned, signaling the desire to move forward productively. Asking for a second chance. It can also be a way to ask for another opportunity to prove oneself after a failure or mistake. When using this phrase, it's important to be sincere and ready to make a genuine effort to change or improve the situation. The tone of voice should convey humility and the willingness to mend things. This phrase goes beyond a simple request. It carries emotional and cultural significance. It requires a level of vulnerability to ask, and offering a fresh start means showing forgiveness and understanding. In many cultures, this concept is highly valued as it emphasizes growth, resilience, and the strength of relationships. Understanding the emotional weight behind these words can help learners grasp the importance of context and tone when using the phrase. It's not just about the words themselves but the intentions and feelings behind them. "Can we start fresh?" is more than just a question. It's a bridge to new beginnings, offering a chance to reset, rebuild, and rejuvenate relationships or situations. Whether you're learning English or navigating the complexities of human interactions, embracing the essence of this phrase can open doors to understanding, forgiveness, and growth. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and will help you in both your language learning journey and your personal life. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's never too late to start fresh.